The highway to success is a toll road. Success can be coaxed or bribed. It's the offspring of drudgery and perseverance. Pay the price for success as it's yours. The world is run with far too tight a rein for luck to interfere. Fortune sells her wares, she never gives them. In one form or the other, you pay for her favors or you go away empty. Everything you want in life has a price connected to it. There's a price to pay if you want to make things better, a price to pay for just leaving things as they are, a price for everything. Nature cannot be tricked or cheated. She'll give up to you the object of your struggles only after you have paid her price. There is no victory at bargain basement prices. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.